I don't want to sound like I'm gassing you, but you got me on some stupid shit. That's what you got me on timing. I'm sweating you for real, and I don't care who.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this low side part curls look today. Okay, that's a mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this hair, of course. I'm going to be doing a low side part with these curls. I'm going to show you how I got these curls. They're nice and effortless, and it's also a side part, so I feel like it's really different. Today's video is a collaboration with Ali Pearl Hair. So if you guys are interested in this wig, I will link all the details in my description box, so check down below. And yeah, let's get right into this video so I can show you how to get your hair to look like this. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with 90% alcohol just to clean off my skin. You want to make sure your skin is clean so when you're prepping it, the adhesive is going to work properly, right? I'm using just a random edge control to sleek my hair back. If you don't do this, your edges will fall out. Make sure you're sleeking all of those little tiny hairs back. That's very important. I'm using my hand to make sure it's nice and stuck, and now I'm going in with the Ebon Black lace spray, and I'm going to apply about 3 layers of this. Make sure that it is tacky every time you put on a layer, and then apply the other one. Once you do that, wait for it to dry down just until it's tacky like glue, and you want to apply this. I realized that I should have put the wig on before. When I apply the wig in front instead of behind, I feel like it lays better, but I applied it behind and I feel like it was a little hard to pull, so I had a little struggle there. I'm cutting off the air tabs. Once you push this in, you want to tie it down and leave it tied down for 10 minutes. This is very important that you leave it for 10 minutes, okay? It will help it to dry down as much as possible, and then you want to use a eyebrow razor or just like a razor to cut it so it'll give it like jagged edge. You can see I did not apply any foundation yet, so I'm just taking my time and cutting this around the hairline. And then once it's cut, I'm going to go around the hairline again with the same spray just to seal off the little areas that are still lifted. You want to tie this down for about 7 to 10 minutes too. I'm using some cheese silk infusion to put all through this hair just to give it like a silky feel, because I am going to be curling it. And I finally learned how to curl the hair properly, so I'm going to show you guys that as well. Today I'm doing a deep side part, so I'm just making sure that the hair is nice and detangled all around. And this is the next day because I was actually like in my feels, so I just went to sleep. So this is the next day. I'm using the Ruby Kisses foundation in number 14 and 16. I'm mixing those together to get rid of the white cast at the front. And now I'm going ahead and parting the hair. I'm giving myself a deep side part, and I'm talking a lot in this clip because I was talking to my mom, but I'm giving myself a deep side part. And clip that out of the way, and you want to go ahead and hot comb this. You're going to hot comb it. This is going to give you the most natural look. You can go and put some mousse and like tie it down and wait for it to dry to give it like a flat look, but I feel like hot combing the hair gives it a nice natural flat look. And then you want to part it. In each section, you're going to use your Erickaj wax stick and hot comb. And then you're gonna just part out the baby hair section. So just part out the baby hair section, and you're gonna hot comb that going forward where you want it to sit. And then I'm plucking it just to give it more of a natural look so it's not too thick. And then spray in between those areas. This will give you an even longer lasting hold. My room was like 120 degrees this day because it was like 90 degrees and the lights. so my wig started lifting up at the end. You will see that, but the install was still flawless. It's just like not realistic for hot, very hot humidity where you're sweating too much, because your wig will lift up. I'm tying this down for 5 minutes. And while I do that, I'm going to hot comb the other side, making sure that it's nice and flat and giving a natural look. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna just take off your cap. And if you have to touch it up with some of the foundation, make sure you do that. And you can see how lovely this looks, so good. But I just recommend this for when it's kind of colder outside or like the nighttime, because in the daytime, my wig was sliding off of my head. I'm using the razor to cut down the edges and give it more of like a natural edge length. And just pluck it, go back and forth, making sure that it's as natural as you want it to look. And then I'm going to use this small flat iron to curl it, and I'm curling it up and away. I'm not curling it down today. I'm using some gorilla snot to mold these edges down, because this specific edges on this side part, you need it to be kind of molded down and jointed into the hair. And then once it's to your liking, you want to go ahead and blow dry it so it does not move. And I was actually running because I was going to go get my food, so you can see me rushing. And then this was a little bit later. Child, it was too damn hot. I'm spraying some Got2b, and I'm going to just comb that down behind my ear so it's not going to move at all. And I am going to blow dry that so it could stay in place. And then just like retouch the hot combed areas. And I'm going to go ahead I'm going to use this random palette that I had for a very long time, and I'm going to fix that parting area because it's way too wide. So I'm using like a brown shade just to fill in those kind of areas right there. And then I am going to go in with a lighter shade to define my part. Now I'm going to brush it out and detangle it because I'm going to get ready to curl the hair. I'm cutting off just a little bit off of the ends, and then I'm giving it some quick layers. So I'm just going down just so I can get some face framing layers on both sides. I'm using the Sebastian Shaper Plus. I'm going to spray that, brush it through, and then I'm going to curl. I'm using this iron, I believe, or Hot Tools. I'm putting the iron up straight, and I'm passing the hair through it and going backwards. So you can see what I'm doing right here. And if you feel like the little piece of hair that's sticking out at the bottom there is sliding through, just hold it and wrap the hair up, because you want it to be upright. Like, you want the hot comb to be upright like that. Then I'm going to just hold it in my hand and pin it from the bottom right there. I'm going to do that all over the head, and then I'll come back and demonstrate the other side of the head. Okay, and for the other side of the head, same exact thing. Oh. Okay. I end up doing my makeup. I will have a new updated everyday makeup look for full coverage, but this is how the hair turned out. I'm going to take out these clips. And now I'm going to comb out the hair. I'm combing out the curls. The curls did sit and set. And I'm using a brush now because the comb wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. And I just want to make sure that it's sitting well. And the top there was not sitting to my liking. I did end up going in and fixing it with a hot comb. I'm using the hot comb right here to fix it. And then I'm using some bedhead spray to hold these curls in place. This is important. This is what you need to use the holding spray for, so it holds the curls exactly where you have it. This came out super, super pretty. Make sure you guys visit Ali Pro Hair because this wig is super beautiful. They did that with this color. This is a little different type of highlights. They have smaller highlights in it, so it doesn't look like the regular highlighted wig that everybody has. And this is the end look. I will talk to you guys at the end of the video, so yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit Ali Pro Hair. I will have their details down below. And also let me know what other type of styles you want to look. I really want to try a French braid because today I was literally just like looking at all French braid videos so I could learn, because I don't even know how to do a French braid. I've never did a French braid before, so I'm definitely gonna try that out in an upcoming video. So make sure you guys subscribe. I'm also going to be having some clothes videos and also my nails video. You can see I have no nails right now because I need to do a new nails video, but I do have one coming up right after this video. So make sure you guys subscribe to stay tuned to the videos that I have coming, and I will definitely see you in my next upload. Bye.
I don't want to sound like I'm gassing you, but you got me on some stupid shit. That's what you got me on timing. I'm sweating you for real, and I don't care who knows.